अच्छा, और चाहे तो इसको आलू की निम्को भी कह सकते हैं। These are the ingredients that we are using today. We grated 2 large potatoes, as you can see, and we will wash it 2 times, and now we have dried it. Cashew 2 tablespoons, raisins 2 tablespoons, almonds 2 tablespoons, walnut 2 tablespoons, peanut 2 tablespoons, pistachio 2 tablespoons. Oil for frying. Heat the oil and we will take this strainer, and now we will put our potato in it and fry it until it gets golden brown. As you can see. After 1 minute, we will stir it again. And now you can see it is getting golden. After 1 minute or so, we will take it out. And now you can see it is golden brown. First, we will take the oil out, as you can see. And now we will put it in a plate and let it cool. And now it is time to fry our dry fruits. Peanut, walnut, cashew, almonds, we will fry it for 1 minute. Take out the oil now. And now we will take it in a plate and let it cool. And now it's time for the raisins. And now we'll take out our raisins, take out the oil, and now we will take it in a plate. And now we will put our potato in a bowl. Look, this is so crispy. Time for the dry fruit. Salt, half teaspoon. 1/3 teaspoon red pepper. 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. And now we will mix it. Mix it gently. You can stir it for a week or put it in an airtight jar. And now we will put it in a nice plate. This is so delicious. Oh, this is so yummy!